darling FUMINATION. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. Are we living and loving? This is like a kind of kaftan as you get up, and it's got pockets. I cannot remember where I bought this. I really can't remember, but it's just a kind of shifty, mifty, and it's got pockets. Let me put my phone down here. Can you see? Let me just see. Wait, hold on. I know. Hold on. What was this? Massimo Dotti. Okay, let me go back. There we go. Massimo Dotti, and I had to have bought this a couple of years ago. A couple of years ago. I just love it. It's nice and it's freeing, and I am living and loving. So why are we here? Well, first and foremost, let me just say I cannot wait that we're coming to New York. I cannot wait. I am living and loving, guys, this summer, 25th, 23rd of July. And the tickets will be sold accordingly because we have all kinds of different events, experiences. There's going to be dinner dates with me, lunch dates with me, Fumi Fitness. We're going to make salads. Yes. We're also going to have a sister to sister. And we're going to have 2 huge meet and greets. And guess what? Guaranteed, Healthy Hair Studio is coming with me to New York. I bring that up about my beautiful crown, because we are talking about the wonderful Beyonce and how she was showing her own natural hair using her brand called Sacred.
Everything about you perfectly undone, and I was like a star staring into the sun. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. And I'm going down, and I'm going down, and I'm going down again. You don't need a lipstick to kill someone with a smile. Is this another trick I haven't played for a while? No. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. And I'm going down, and I'm going down, and I'm going down again.
But it was wonderful. And I also was quite impressed that Beyonce's hair was that long. Not that it was that healthy, because her mother had a hair salon. So of course her hair is going to be looking fabulous. On top of which, when I tell you, darlings, she has to wear wigs. She has to wear wigs and protect her hair because of the nature of the job that she does. I live and love my hair. My hair is all 100% full credit to Healthy Hair Studio. To Healthy Hair Studio. I don't think I will ever process my hair ever again. Will I wear wigs? Yes, I will wear wigs. I will wear wigs to protect my hair when needed. Like I said, I'm coming to New York, and we have about 7-8 meet and greets. It takes a toll. I respect celebrities that go on stage and perform the way that they do. You're standing in heels. When I tell you, you're not drinking or eating, you are performing like crazy. When we did this meet and greet, I tell you, it was intense. It was 300 all in the same room. The last meet and greet I did, it was 50, 50, 50. It was just 150. When I look back, you know, I was so overwhelmed. And I worked from 10 to midnight. Christina was there. I didn't eat a single thing. This time around, it was 300. It took me 2 days to recover and I lost 5 pounds. That's why I'm trying to eat up, because I don't want to look too gaunt. Your skin suffers, your eyes, everything suffers. Your hair suffers because you're swinging it back and forth. You've got fragrance, you've got body makeup, you've got all kinds. You've got to wear wigs to protect your crown. But when I tell you, my hair is growing, I pat it down. Look at how long it is. I pat it down, but it's really long inside. I will never do anything that will damage my hair. And so there were controversies that, oh, you know what, she doesn't have tracks in the back, she must have it in front. That, oh, you know, people that wear wigs, that's another thing which I did love, that they have bad hair. It's not true, because of course of the front. If you wear it constantly, yes, but I'm under the impression, because that's what I do, when I get home I don't wear makeup. I seldom wear makeup when I'm working out, unless I have filmed and I say, okay fine, let me just work out with my makeup. I don't even wear makeup. I don't wear makeup. I don't wear perfume. I don't wear all of these glitter stuff on my, no, I don't. I leave my hair as is and that's it. So I'm sure when she's at home, she doesn't wear any of this. But she was on tour for like a minute. You want to protect the hair. And I'm sure she's got all of these, you know, from her secret brand that works for her. For me, I will always say it. Healthy Hair Studio worked for me. For my 4C hair, it works for me. I'm sure she's had products over the years that they've curated and put into her brand Sacred. I didn't see what the big hula baloo was. She says that she colors her hair, of which I'm going to do very soon. I want to color my hair to like a honey brown. You know, wouldn't that look good? Soften it a little bit. I want to get rid of the Grace Jones-esque. I really want it to be nice and round, and I'm not cutting my hair again. I'm just going to grow it out and then just do like lovely curls where I just put rollers in at night, and then when I take them out, that's it. That would be, this is going to be my trademark. I will never process my hair, never ever. And I will also wear wigs. I think that I was also guilty of it, that I thought I was not beautiful enough if I didn't wear a wig, if my hair wasn't straighter, if I didn't have this certain look. And yet, in my 55th year, around the moon, around the sun, I feel the most beautiful with my own natural hair. It's not for everybody. That's another thing. Because one thing I must shout out to my natural hair sisters. They loved me with my straight hair. They never ever once came to me and said you should go natural. Never did. And then when I did, oh Fumi, you know what, let me show you this. Oh, you can do this. Just the other day I got a message to say, Fumi, you can switch up your hair, you can do these little curls. Fumi, you can do this and the other. That's the natural hair community that I have to love and respect. Because I think they felt that, oh, let me not step my boundaries, of which they were not. And they didn't say anything. But when I did go natural, they came out in droves, caring and sharing. And I think perhaps that was what Beyonce is doing, and also trying to push her brand. But she's had this hair for what, 20 odd plus years. She's been caring for this hair. Her mother was caring for the hair. The mother also, I think, is Creole. Correct me if I'm wrong, but what I do know is that there is nothing like good hair, bad hair. Nothing like that. It doesn't exist, because I got good hair. It's the compliments I got at the meet and greet, because girlfriends got good hair, and that solely 1,000,000,000%, that's Healthy Hair Studio. So find a good routine and focus on it, stick with it, and you see the result. That's what's happened with my skin. Wardrobe of Beauty, discount code Fumi. I had over 100 skin tags. I showed you on my face and on my neck. She got rid of everything. I eat healthy and I exercise every day. I love it. As a matter of fact, once I'm finished from here, I'm going over to exercise. I'm coming. I'm just so... Yes. I'm going to exercise. I wash and cleanse my skin every day. I wash and cleanse and I take care of my hair every single day. And I wrap it and I dream sweet dreams. Mental health. I have become much more conscious of looking after myself in my 40s and 50s. And I'm really enjoying it. So take from it what you may. Take from it what you may. If you are asking me, do I think that that is her hair? I think that is her hair. Do I think she was wearing a frontal? No, I don't think she was wearing a frontal. I think that because we're so used to seeing hairlines damaged that we think that you cannot have healthy frontals. Well, look at my front line. Look at my edges. They're all back at 55. At 55. No thinning. Thicker than ever. Be conscious about your hair. That's what I want you to take from it. It doesn't matter what they said, she said, whatever. I want you to take from it that we can all have beautiful hair and that there is nothing, it doesn't exist like good hair. Good hair for me is healthy hair. There's nothing like, oh, straight, long, or no. All hair is good hair. And dare I say, this is the most beautiful hair. I just feel it really is. I struggle to wear wigs at this point. I struggle. I love my hair so much. So that is it, my darlings. I do live and love you. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification button. All of my love, my babies. Mwah.